National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Grady County in central Oklahoma, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Albert to 5 miles west of Gracemont to 5 miles southeast of Fort Cobb, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 70 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include El Reno, Anadarko, Yukon, Mustang, Tuttle, Union City, Minco, Binger, Fort Cobb, Vernon, Amber, Gracemont, Lakiba, Pocasset, Albert, Concho, Kodar, Lake Chickasha, Fort Cobb Reservoir, and Cedar Lake. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms are producing destructive winds and large damaging hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms.
I think alerts are being issued.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe